Sometimes a trust includes a spendthrift provision, which states that creditors can't reach the trust's money. When a trust lacked a spendthrift provision, a court only permitted a creditor to garnish some of the payments from the trust. Then the creditor spent time in court to reach more of the funds in Wilcox versus Gentry. Frank Gentry created a revocable trust. Then Frank died. Pursuant to the trust, a portion of the trust would be for Isabell Gentry's benefit. During her life, the trustee was supposed to consider the money that Isabell had available to her and then distribute the trust's principal and income to her as the trustee saw fit. Once Isabell died, any remaining portion of the trust would go to the trust's surviving beneficiaries. Frank's trust didn't have any spendthrift provisions, which could have protected Isabell's trust money from creditors. Ron and Nancy Wilcox successfully sued Isabell for fraud. Isabell was liable for over $50,000 in damages. Because Ron and Nancy had a judgment against Isabell, they became judgment creditors. They tried to garnish Isabell's trust to collect the judgment. The court determined that Isabell had a discretionary trust, so Ron and Nancy could garnish money paid directly to Isabell, but not money that the trustee paid on Isabell's behalf. The Kansas Court of Appeals affirmed. The Kansas Supreme Court addressed the case.